If you're going to try, go all the way. Otherwise, don't even start. This could mean losing something important, and maybe even your mind. It could mean not eating for 3 or 4 days. It could mean freezing on the park bench. It could mean derision. It could mean mockery isolation. Isolation is a gift. All the others are tests of your endurance, of how much you really want to do it. And you will do it, despite rejection and the worst odds, and it will be better than anything else you can imagine. If you're going to try, go all the way. There's no other feeling like that. You'll be alone with the gods, and the nights will flame with fire. You will ride life straight to perfect laughter. It's the only good fight there is.